Hello, in this video we will talk about everything related to strawberries. I hope you enjoy watching. Strawberry is a perennial shrub that spreads by growing a horizontal stalk called a stolon. Strawberry recites several times during ripening. At the beginning of the harvest, the fruit is green, then turns white, then partially pink, then red. The surface of the colored part gradually increases, and coloring begins from the top of the fruit to the base, accompanied by an increase in fruit size. Increase in moisture content and decrease in hardness with increase in sugar content, which accounts for 70 to 80% of dissolved solids. Strawberry is a perennial shrub that spreads by growing a horizontal stalk called a stolon. Strawberry recites several times during ripening. At the beginning of the harvest, the fruit is green, then turns white, then partially pink, then red. The surface of the colored part gradually increases, and the color begins to increase from the top of the fruit to the base. The size of the fruit, an increase of moisture content and a decrease in hardness with an increase in sugar content, which is for 70 to 80% dissolved solids. Strawberries are rich in ascorbic acid, 60 mg per 100 g, and potassium, 158 mg per 100 g. It is also high in niacin and contains moderate amounts of iron, 1 mg per 100 g, and riboflavin. It also contains a large amount of carbohydrates, 8 g per 100 g. Most of the sugars it contains are in the form of fructose sugars and are therefore suitable for fresh consumption by diabetics and for the growth and health of children and adults, as they contain a percentage of amino acids, especially when presented in mixed form. A glass of milk with the addition of white bee honey. Strawberries are an important source of antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress. One of the top reasons to eat strawberries is to take advantage of their potential antioxidant benefits. According to a Nutrition Journal article that tested over 3,100 foods, blueberries are among the most potent sources of antioxidants. The researchers grouped wild strawberries with the best antioxidant-rich blueberries, which also included wild blueberries, blackberries, and black currants. 2. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C to support a healthy immune system. One of the most powerful antioxidants in strawberries is vitamin C. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, the recommended daily allowance of vitamin C is 75 mg/mg for women and 90 mg for men. With 98 mg of vitamin C in one sliced cup, according to the USDA, strawberries provide more than 100% of the daily value, DV, of vitamin C. That's more than an orange, the USDA notes. 3. Thanks to antioxidants, strawberries can reduce cardiometabolic risk. Strawberries and their antioxidants may have beneficial effects on heart health. According to a study published in Antioxidants in October 2021, strawberries are inversely associated with cardiometabolic risk. It refers to risk factors that increase the risk of serious vascular events such as heart attack and diabetes. In just 4 weeks, daily consumption of concentrated strawberry powder was enough to increase antioxidant activity and reduce inflammation associated with cardiometabolic risks, Volpe said of the study results. Of course, strawberries and strawberry powder are not the same, so a similar study using whole strawberries is needed to confirm the results. Subjective cognitive decline, characterized by confusion or memory loss, affects about 11.1% of American adults, according to the CDC, and affects more men than women. While it's normal to forget where you left your keys, forgetting routine tasks like managing your medication isn't typical of aging. This can have a major impact on a person's ability to live independently. Adults with cognitive impairment also have comorbidities such as heart disease, arthritis, or diabetes. 5. Strawberries improve cholesterol levels. While your body needs cholesterol to perform certain functions, too much cholesterol can be bad for your heart. Because high cholesterol doesn't cause symptoms, your doctor may order a blood test to better understand your risk of heart events. High cholesterol, or high blood pressure, is fairly common. The CDC estimates that nearly 12% of adults aged 20 and older have high levels. Although various factors, including genetics, can play a role in the risk of high cholesterol, an unhealthy lifestyle can also contribute. Fresh fruit like strawberries is a step in the right direction. 6. Compounds in strawberries may reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a normal part of the body's immune response, but chronic inflammation can be associated with heart disease, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, and other conditions, according to Harvard Health Publishing. It's not always clear which came first, inflammation or inflammatory disease, but the right lifestyle factors can help keep inflammation levels in check. In particular, fruits rich in flavonoids and antioxidants may have positive effects on inflammatory markers, and may have neuroprotective, anti-cancer, cardioprotective, and anti-diabetic properties to help prevent disease, according to a study published in Molecules in November 2020. The researchers also found an association between anthocyanins in strawberries and prebiotic properties, suggesting a bidirectional relationship between beneficial anthocyanins and the gut microbiota. Although there are fewer human studies, some of the existing research may be promising. A clinical study published in Nutrition Research in January 2021 found that California strawberries increased the abundance of gut microorganisms in just 6 weeks. The anti-inflammatory effect of strawberries is also evident in the intestine. The antioxidants in strawberries simultaneously reduce inflammation in the gut and immune system, according to a study published in January 2018 in Nutrition Reviews.